Coterminal angles. Coterminal angles are a set of angles who share the same initial side and the same terminal side. There are an infinite number of coterminal angles for each and every angle out there. To find coterminal angles, we need to add or subtract multiples of 360 degrees, which is equivalent to 2 pi in radians. Let's look at a diagram to see how this works. Consider the angle 55 degrees. So remember, this is our initial side where the angle starts. This is our terminal side where the angle ends. So now consider this angle in red. Go all the way around the circle 360 degrees, then up to our terminal side. So this is one full rotation of 360 degrees plus 55 degrees. So this gives us 415 degrees, so 55 and 415 are coterminal angles. Now let's consider an angle in radians, 27 pi over 4. Let's find a positive angle less than 2 pi that is coterminal to 27 pi over 4. So the question is, how many full rotations does the angle travel around the circle before then reaching its terminal side? First, note that 2 pi is equivalent to 8 pi over 4. This is really important because our original angle up here has a 4 in the denominator. So if we want to add or subtract 2 pi, we needed a denominator of 4 down here. So we need a common denominator. So consider how many rotations of 8 pi over 4 it takes to cover, or at least partially cover, 27 pi over 4. So 8 divides into 27 3 times, right? Because that gives us 24 with a remainder of 3. So it takes 3 rotations plus 3 pi over 4. So look here. Here is each of our rotations, 8 pi over 4. Then, well, I just wrote it in a different way right there. Then 3 pi over 4. And then I also wrote this in terms of 2 pi, just because it looks more familiar to us as one full rotation, right? Okay, so this tells us that 3 pi over 4 is the angle coterminal to 27 pi over 4. So let's write this in a little bit of a different way, and I think it'll make more sense. Another way to see this is to think about subtracting multiples of 2 pi. So what we've done is we've subtracted 3 2 pi's, and that gives us 3 pi over 4. So let's look at this in terms of a diagram, and I think it'll definitely make more sense. All right, so starting in our initial side, we rotate 1, 2, 3 times, so that's our 3 times 2 pi. Then we travel 3 pi over 4 to give us the total of 27 pi over 4. And then this is just 3 pi over 4 in red. So we see that each of these angles, both of these angles, have the same initial side and the same terminal side. So that's why they're coterminal angles.